Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. This is going to be an intro. Oops, I guess I should turn on lights, huh? Didn't think about that. I wanted to do this before I got my table all messy with some more art. I wanted to open this. I bought this at an auction. This is from Sherry's Life. I was the highest bidder on this. I've crossed out our addresses and all the little tracking stuff. I did want to show you something though. It only costs $19.80 to ship a 24-inch by 24-inch package, okay? So she has this is brown paper, okay? I cut away the brown paper on the back. And then there's this padding in there because I wanted to show everybody. She does a great job with her shipping her paintings. Okay, so this is, and there's a lot of tape on here too. It looks like there's quite a few layers of paper, but I wanted to open it on camera because I'm going to give a shout out to her in this video. She does some of the most amazing art. I don't know which side's up, so let me just cut this tape real quick. And of course, I'm going to be saving all this stuff. Oh, there's cardboard in here too. That's okay. Okay, let me pick it up so I can unwrap it this way. Sorry about this, everybody. She's got quite a bit of this padding around it. I love that. So you don't need to have a box for it, okay? I'm just trying to... She made a little cardboard-like box, you know, just cardboard pieces around it for the inside. And that's good enough. If you're shipping it in the States... Hang on a sec, I'm trying to get rid of all this stuff. I'm trying to make sure I open it with the right side up. Okay, I gotta turn it over the other way so I can do the big reveal this way. Okay. I saw it, but on her live, but you know that the camera never does a painting justice. Okay. Oh my goodness! Look at this. Oh, I am so excited. I'm going to find a place for this. Oh my goodness. Of course I can't get it all in there. Of course I have the glare. So I'm trying my hardest to show you all of it, but it's giving me a problem because I don't have enough room. So I will take a picture of it and I will post it at the right after this part of the video. Okay, so thank you very much, Sherry. I am so in love with this, and she does a really great job. Oh, business card. She's got some pretty business cards. I'm gonna cover up her phone number, but I'll show you her business card. She's got a really cute business card with some painting on it. Anyway, and she signs the back. I love that. So I am very happy with this, Sherry. I love it, and I can't wait till your next auction because you know I got my eye on one from one of the videos. So anyway, stay tuned for the video that I'm doing after this, because you can see I've got my clean area here, and I'm probably going to do alcohol inks again. But I wanted to put this at the beginning of it before I got this all messy. Okay, so I'll do some pictures of it, some stills of it, so you can see it. So anyway, I'll be right back with my alcohol ink.